Welcome back. This is the third and final segment of today's You Special, and we are having the drinking age debate on NDTV Hindu. Now, let's start with Jagdeep here. We're looking at effective methods of really looking at an age for drinking, a legal age for drinking. So, go ahead.
It happened to me 2 weeks ago when I was next to the Tasmak shop. I saw around 11th standard kid getting 200 rupees out of his pocket and giving it to the Tasmak guy, and in return he gave a bottle of wine, which I never expected that will happen in India. So what I feel is that the government officials should be much more strict about the law. They should implement by first asking the ID proof or the age proof of the kid, of the person who's going to buy it, and then sell the wine or whatever alcohol product it should be.
Okay, ID proof. Do you think that method can work?
No, I really don't think so, because at the end of the day, it all comes down to what Tanikesh said. He said TASMAC is one of the major, sources of income of the Tamil Nadu government. So when that is the case, all the shopkeepers of these, the people in charge of these TASMAC shops are definitely going to be under pressure to bring in as much profit as possible. So they're really not going to say no to anyone who comes in with the right amount of money to hand over whatever they want.
Okay.
So an ID proof is really not going to work, because with the state of affairs in our country, when the rules are so easily bent or even broken without, people don't even think twice before bending or breaking a rule. So when this is the case in our country, I really don't think it's a method that can be implemented ever.
Okay.
Yeah, I think first of all, the child labor should be effectively implemented. Child labor, the prohibition of child labor should be effectively implemented. In most of the hotels or TASMAC shops, only you can see some are school kids over there. They are poor fellows. But they have been suffering for employment. So they are exploiting the kids, and they are putting them for a meager salary for like 500 or 600 rupees per month.
Okay.
So in the hotels. So what they will do when the guests arrives, so they are asking these kids to go to the shops and get this alcohol. So the kids don't have any option. They have to do what the master are going to say.
Okay, so you're saying that if all the kids who go and buy from TASMAC may not really be buying it for themselves.
Yes,
There's
yes.
also the angle of child labor, you're saying.
Yes, definitely.
Okay,
Definitely.
all right, fine. Someone else?
I feel the most important thing, like they said, is self-control. Know that drinking is bad. Know that drinking causes you harm. Be aware what it's going to do to you after you become old. Be aware that if you drink too much, you're going to have like liver failure, or you're going to have cancer and die at a very early age. Be aware of that fact. You'll automatically try to stay away from getting over drunk, or you'll automatically, at a young age, you will not want to drink, and you'll be aware of the harmful effects of what drinking is going to do to you. The most important thing is create awareness. You be aware yourself and make everybody else aware of what it's going to do to you in life.
Regarding the awareness part, the government has done a lot of things to implement this photo representation in the cigarette packets or alcohol. For that itself, they are not able to implement this. They are getting a lot of pressures from the big cigarette companies and MNCs. So how they are going to create awareness for liquor, which is going to give more profit to the government? Definitely they are not going to do this.
Okay, awareness is not going to happen.
I feel that something more, it will require a lot of infrastructure work, but I think my method will be effective. What I feel is spreading awareness by writing alcohol destroys family and society is really not going to work, because nobody's even going to see that. Oh yeah, okay, cool, it's there, you're just going to drink. What's inside is what matters than the label on the outside.
Right.
So I feel that people who want to indulge in drinking must have a kind of card that uniquely identifies them. I'm not calling it a permit to drink or something, a card which, helps them keep track of how much they are consuming. Something on those lines I feel would, be helpful.
Something for themselves, or something that the government will give them? What are you saying exactly?
That is, that probably comes later. That probably comes later. That will be, there'll be again, that will raise a lot of other issues as well. But for now, a card or something that will let people keep track of how much they're drinking. And along with that, if you could spread awareness about how much consuming so much is going to affect your life, if you drink so much per day, it is going to cause this damage to you. When you can, show them with values, with, proper data, I'm sure it's going to have a much better effect.
All right.
If they are going to provide one card for the amount of consumption of alcohol, definitely it is going to create more corruption. We are the most corrupted country in the world. So definitely it is going to they are going to involve in more corruption. So that what the kids will do or college guys will do, they will throw away 100 rupees or 200 rupees, get some liquor. So it is not definitely going to help.
Okay,
Prevent.
quick point, yeah, quickly.
Nobody's going to follow their brain when they're going to drink alcohol. They want their eye for it. So it's like, it's not a very good, it's a good point. Okay. Moreover, you can ask like the film stars like Rajinikanth or somebody who you look up to, if they stop drinking and if they be a role model, everyone will look up to them.
Okay, all right. Quick point from Karthik as well.
I would like
yeah.
to sum up.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
To sum up, in short, it's difficult to put a full stop to drinking, but I would like to say that if we could control ourselves by cutting a line and saying that let us limit ourselves to drinking, because drinking little of alcohol is useful to our body. It removes away the toxins, but if it goes beyond the limit, it can even end in taking off your life.
Okay, so what we're agreeing on basically is that there should be personal boundaries
Personal
rather
boundaries.
than the state setting you a limit. If there's a
Exactly.
personal boundary, then that works better because you can control yourself and decide what's best for you. But there's really no age. We have no consensus on what the age could be to decide what's best for you, right?
Exactly.
All right. On that note, we come to the end of today's You Special. Thanks so much for watching. Do write to me at feedback@ndtv-hindu.com and let me know what you thought of today's episode.